Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your joystick. First, identify your joystick's connection type, whether it's a wired USB model or a wireless Bluetooth device. Next, ensure your computer or console meets the minimum system requirements for the joystick. Finally, power on your device and prepare it to accept new peripheral connections, making sure all necessary updates are installed. For a wired connection, simply plug the joystick's USB cable directly into an available USB port on your computer or console. Your operating system should then automatically detect the device and install any necessary drivers. This process usually takes only a few moments. After installation, verify the connection in your device manager or system settings to ensure it is recognized and ready for use. To connect a wireless joystick, begin by activating Bluetooth on your computer or gaming console. Next, put your joystick into pairing mode. This often involves holding down a specific button for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. Once in pairing mode, your joystick should appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices on your system. Select it to complete the pairing process. After connecting, open a game or a dedicated joystick calibration tool to test all buttons and axes. If you encounter issues with a wireless joystick, first check its battery levels, as low power can cause connection problems. For any connection type, if the joystick isn't working, try reinstalling the drivers or plugging it into a different USB port. Sometimes, a simple restart of your system can also resolve minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.